Hi everyone, good morning. Alpha here and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making strawberry lemon soap, and part of my water I will use organic coconut milk. And because this is strawberry soap, I have strawberry here blend with the organic coconut milk, and this is pureed and it's all strained. And I will be needing some color, red color. I decided to have a little some pink and yellow for the lemon, and for my scent, which is lemon essential oil from Crafter's Choice. And I will be adding some shea butter to make it more moisturizing. So that's it for my all ingredients, and now I will mix these oils. My base are organic coconut oil, olive oil. I have here grapeseed and castor oil. So, and now I will add my lye solution together with my sodium lactate. So I will add this now and blend this. Okay, and then I will add my milk and my strawberry. The strawberry here is the additives. So I love making soap with adding additives. Okay, that's it. Now I will blend this, and I will add a little kaolin clay. Okay, my dog is barking. Danny! So my base oil, now it turns to yellow, and I hope I will get the pink and the red color later. Okay, so I will blend this, and now I will add my shea butter. So I hope I will get the medium trays. So I'm not sure what will be the design, so probably I will make layers. Now I will add my scent, lemon essential oil, 1 ounce. Smell like a lemon. Okay, I can smell it. Okay, I have that trace now, so this is ready to split into 3 color. Okay, this is my pink. hope you will see this. This one, okay. Just a little. Okay, and now my red. Part of it, I will have some yellow for this one. Okay, I have a small space. For my yellow, just a little, because my base is already yellow, so I will just make this more bright yellow. Okay, and for my base I'm gonna add some titanium for my base. Okay, for my base, for the white color, this is where I will add my poppy seeds. This is from Crafter's Choice. Just a little. See? Yeah. Okay, now I will pour this in my mold. I have a small space. Okay. I'm gonna pour this now. Okay. My soap is beginning to thicken. Okay, my yellow is thick now. Okay, and my pink. Okay, I I like this texture. This is what I want to have. A little thick, and I'm gonna add a little more of the essential oil. My husband is here. Okay. So I hope you will see this. Okay. See, I want to have some texture here. Before I will add my color. I like this color. It's bright, it's colorful. I think I hope I could make this a layer. Oh, it's still not very thick. Anyway, so I might do in the mold technique. Okay. This is my yellow. So I think I cannot get the layer change design. So it's okay. This is still good. Okay. Okay, some more. I think I'm gonna do some combination of chopstick swirl. Okay. And now I have to put all this on top for decoration. Okay. And last one is this beautiful pink. Okay, clean this. Okay, tap this a little, and I put some poppy seeds on top. Okay. Some texturing on top, just a simple like that. So okay, this is the design. Okay, so I hope you like this video, and please leave your comments if you have any. Thanks for watching. Bye.